Welcome back to While You Are There, your go-to channel for exploring the world's best destinations. Today, we're taking you to one of San Diego's most charming beach towns, Encinitas. Known for its surf culture, stunning beaches, and laid-back vibe, Encinitas is the perfect getaway whether you're a local or just visiting. Let's dive in and discover what makes this coastal gem a must-visit destination. First up, the beaches. Encinitas, a charming coastal town in Southern California, is renowned for its stunning beaches that stretch along the Pacific Ocean. Encinitas is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in Southern California. The golden sands and crystal clear waters make it a paradise for beach lovers. As the sun sets, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, creating a picturesque backdrop that is perfect for evening strolls or romantic moments. Moonlight Beach is the heart of this town's beach culture. This iconic beach is a hub of activity and community. Families flock here to enjoy the wide array of amenities and the welcoming atmosphere that makes everyone feel at home. It features plenty of amenities such as volleyball courts, picnic areas, and even fire pits for those cooler evenings. The volleyball courts are always buzzing with energy, as both locals and visitors engage in friendly matches. The picnic areas are perfect for a family outing, where you can enjoy a meal with the sound of the waves in the background. And as the evening chill sets in, the fire pits become a gathering spot for warmth and storytelling. But what really sets Moonlight Beach apart is its community feel. The sense of camaraderie is palpable. For the surfers out there, Swami's Beach is legendary. This iconic surf spot is known for its consistent waves and vibrant surf culture. Surfers from all over the globe come here to ride the waves and experience the thrill of Swami's. Known for its long, peeling waves, Swami's is perfect for both beginners and experienced surfers, offering a challenge that keeps everyone coming back for more. The sight of surfers gracefully riding the waves is a spectacle in itself, drawing spectators who come to marvel at their skills. But even if you're not into surfing, the cliffside views from above are worth the visit. The panoramic vistas offer a breathtaking perspective of the ocean and the surfers below. It's a perfect spot for photography enthusiasts or anyone looking to take in the natural beauty of Encinitas. The Swami's Seaside Park provides a comfortable vantage point where you can relax and enjoy the action. It offers a unique way to experience the surf culture without getting wet. The energy and excitement are contagious, making it a must-visit location in Encinitas. Now that we have talked about the beaches, let's check out some other great aspects. After soaking up the sun, you're going to need some fuel. Encinitas has a vibrant food scene that reflects its diverse, health-conscious community. Start your day at the Leucadia Farmers Market, held every Sunday. This isn't your average farmers market. Here, you'll find everything from organic produce to locally made cheeses, fresh seafood, and artisanal goods. It's the perfect spot to grab a quick bite or shop for a picnic by the beach. If you're in the mood for something sweet, don't miss out on a visit to Handel's homemade ice cream. A local favorite, Handel's serves up some of the richest, creamiest ice cream around, with flavors ranging from classic chocolate to more adventurous picks like Spouse Like a House. There's something for everyone. Next up, let's check out the town, which is rich in culture and hidden gems. This charming town offers a unique blend of natural beauty, artistic expression, and spiritual tranquility. One of the most serene spots you'll find here is the Self-Realization Fellowship Gardens. This hidden gem is a sanctuary of peace and tranquility, offering a respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. As you walk through the entrance, you'll immediately feel a sense of calm wash over you. Perched on a cliff overlooking the ocean, these gardens are a peaceful retreat where you can stroll through lush greenery, koi ponds, and even catch a glimpse of some breathtaking ocean views. The gardens are meticulously maintained with a variety of plants and flowers that bloom throughout the year, creating a vibrant and ever-changing landscape. It's a spiritual oasis that's open to all and offers a unique perspective on the town's more meditative side. Many visitors come here to meditate, practice yoga, or simply sit in quiet contemplation. The gardens are designed to promote inner peace and reflection, with numerous benches and secluded spots where you can sit and soak in the serene atmosphere. Art lovers will appreciate the street art scattered throughout Encinitas, particularly along Coast Highway 101. This stretch of road is a canvas for local artists who use the walls of buildings as their medium to create stunning murals that capture the essence of the town. Each mural tells a story, whether it's a tribute to the town's surfing culture, a celebration of its natural beauty, or an expression of the artist's personal vision. Walking along Coast Highway 101 is like taking a tour of an open-air art gallery, with new and exciting pieces to discover around every corner. While you're there, be sure to pop into some of the local boutiques and surf shops for unique finds and souvenirs. Encinitas is home to a variety of small, independently owned shops that offer everything from handmade jewelry and clothing to surfboards and beach gear. These shops are a reflection of the town's eclectic and creative spirit, and you're sure to find something special to take home with you. For a taste of local history, visit the historic La Paloma Theater. Built in 1928, this iconic venue has been a cornerstone of the Encinitas community for nearly a century. The theater hosts a variety of events from classic film screenings to live performances, and is a beloved gathering place for locals and visitors alike. After a day of exploring, be sure to check out some of the local cafes and restaurants. Encinitas boasts a diverse culinary scene, with options ranging from casual beachside eateries to upscale dining establishments. Whether you're in the mood for fresh seafood, farm-to-table cuisine, or international flavors, you're sure to find something to satisfy your taste buds. Encinitas is a town that invites you to slow down, explore, and connect with its rich culture and hidden gems. For those who love the great outdoors, Encinitas offers more than just beaches. The San Elijo Lagoon Ecological Reserve is a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. This expansive wetland area is home to over 300 species of birds, making it a paradise for birdwatchers. There are several trails to explore, each offering a different perspective on the lagoon's diverse ecosystem. Cycling is another popular activity here. The Coast Highway offers a scenic route with stunning ocean views on one side and charming coastal homes on the other. As the day winds down, there's no better way to wrap up your visit to Encinitas than by heading to D Street Viewpoint for an unobstructed view of the sun dipping below the horizon. This spot is renowned for its panoramic vistas, offering a perfect vantage point to witness the day's end. As you stand there, you can feel the gentle breeze from the ocean, hear the soothing sound of the waves crashing against the shore, and see the sun casting a golden glow over the water. It's a local favorite and the perfect spot to reflect on your day. You'll often find people gathered here, some with cameras trying to capture the perfect shot, others simply sitting and soaking in the view. The silhouettes of people against the backdrop of the setting sun create a picturesque scene, one that embodies the laid-back and serene vibe of Encinitas. Once the sun sets, Encinitas comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. The streets light up and the town transforms into a bustling hub of activity. The energy is palpable as locals and visitors alike head out to explore the myriad of entertainment options available. From cozy cafes to lively bars, there's something for everyone. Encinitas boasts a thriving craft beer scene, with numerous bars offering an impressive selection of local brews. These establishments often have a relaxed and welcoming atmosphere, making them perfect for unwinding after a long day. If you're a music lover, you'll be delighted by the variety of live performances available. From intimate acoustic sets to energetic rock concerts, the local music scene is vibrant and dynamic. The Shelter, with its chic decor and rooftop views, is a great place to start your evening. This stylish bar offers a sophisticated yet relaxed ambiance, making it a popular choice. The rooftop area provides stunning views of the city, allowing you to enjoy your drinks while taking in the sights. The shelter's menu features a range of expertly crafted cocktails, as well as a selection of fine wines and spirits. It's the perfect spot to kick off your night with a touch of elegance. For live music, check out the lineup at the Belly Up Tavern, a legendary venue that has hosted some of the biggest names in music. This iconic spot is known for its eclectic mix of genres, offering something for every musical taste. The intimate setting allows for a close-up experience with the performers, creating a unique and memorable concert experience. The Belly Up Tavern has a rich history and a loyal following, making it a must-visit for any music enthusiast. If dancing is more your style, Encinitas has several clubs where you can dance the night away. With talented DJs spinning a mix of the latest hits and classic tracks, these venues offer a high-energy atmosphere that's perfect for letting loose. The dance floors are always packed, and the vibe is electric, making it easy to get lost in the music and enjoy the moment. For a more laid-back evening, consider visiting one of the cozy cafes that feature live acoustic music. These intimate settings provide a relaxed environment where you can enjoy a cup of coffee or a glass of wine while listening to talented local musicians. It's a great way to unwind and experience the local culture in a more subdued setting. The streets of Encinitas also come alive with street performers showcasing their talents. From musicians and dancers to magicians and artists, there's always something interesting to see. Dining out is another highlight of Encinitas nightlife. The town is home to a variety of restaurants offering diverse cuisines, from fresh seafood to international dishes. Many of these establishments have outdoor seating, allowing you to enjoy your meal under the stars. Encinitas is more than just a beach town. It's a place where you can truly experience the best of Southern California living. From its beautiful beaches and delicious food to its rich culture and outdoor adventures, there's something for everyone. Thanks for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, happy travels, and we'll see you in the next video.